welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, so guys, today I'm going to be training my dog, like sit down and I'll jump, you know how you train your dogs. So I have this dog bone. I don't know if it's eatable. So yeah. Okay, let's start. Bro. Right now he's a bit lazy because he just woke up. Okay, Balu, up. Good boy. Okay, Balu sit, Balu sit. So I'll first tell him how to sit. Balu sit. Good boy. So see, shake hand. Right now he does not know shake hand, so I just lift his arm like that. What do we say? Leg. Yeah. It's a bit confusing. High. Now. Down. Balu down. Down. Let's see what he does. Okay, down. Balu. Walk. I'm not gonna do anything. Walk. You're gonna get it. Come on, see, it's your boy. Rally. Up, Balu, up. Jump. Boy. Down, Balu, down. Down. Good boy. Walk. Crawl. Balu. It's your turn. He ate it. Now I can't stop him. Well, I'll get it. Another way of training him, because right now I have to teach him how to stay. So meet you after he eats his favorite bone.